All right, so it's like 6:30 in the morning. Mary just left to go do a couple personal training sessions, which means I have to get up to edit yesterday's vlog and upload it because that's what I gotta do. So let's get to work. Just had my weekly Tuesday meeting with Mary. She's only here at the house 2 days a week. And so when she's home, we always try to meet. We try to meet actually twice a week when she is home to always make sure that we talk about the business. That way we make sure that we are on the same page and that we're always working towards pushing the business further and taking it to the next steps. Come to find out, owning a small business is hard. Like really hard, and anybody who tells you differently has either never tried or never really done it. Now, I don't want you to think I'm telling you this out of pity. That's not the case at all. And actually, quite the contrary, I like the challenge. While owning this business, I have literally never worked harder in my entire life. And now some people, like myself, are gonna tell you that when you own a small business, you're going to work hard, but it's never gonna really prepare you for just how hard you're actually going to work. Now, most entrepreneurs, when they start their business, they're working 26 hours a day, 8 days a week, and it's a lot, it's very taxing. Now, I'm not saying this to discourage anybody from opening a small business. Quite the contrary. In fact, I just want to arm you with the tools that you need to be successful when you do start one and have the right expectations. And that's really all. And so yeah, guys, like if you're gonna start a small business, you're gonna work your ass off and expect to. That's it for today. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. New to the channel, hit that subscribe button, crush that little notification bell, and I'll check you guys next time. Take it easy.